What would happen if the sun just switched off one day? Darkness? Chaos? Or maybe we'd all freeze like forgotten pizza in the fridge? So, what exactly is the sun? It's not just a big fiery ball, though it sure looks like one. The sun is a star, a massive plasma sphere 865,000 miles in diameter. That's like lining up 109 Earths side by side with room left to park a space shuttle. Its mass? A whopping 99.8% of the entire solar system. Imagine if the sun were a dinosaur. All the planets combined would be, well, about the size of an ant. The sun is mostly hydrogen, around 73.5%, and helium, like the stuff in your party balloons. But instead of making your voice squeaky, the sun uses these elements for nuclear fusion. What's that? Picture cosmic pressure in the sun's core, where temperatures hit 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. There, hydrogen atoms get squished so hard they fuse into helium, releasing energy that powers everything, from your favorite TikTok dances to photosynthesis in the jungles. Fun fact, if we could harness all the energy the sun emits in just 1 second, it'd be enough to power the United States for 9 million years. Oh, and the sun isn't a perfect sphere, it's slightly flattened from spinning, so you could say our star has a bit of a cosmic tummy. By the way, if you think your boss is demanding, try working in the sun's core, where the pressure literally forces atoms to hug it out. So how does the sun pull off its magic? It all starts in its core, where the temperature is so wild, even your backyard BBQ grill would be jealous. Every second, the sun converts 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium. That's like burning 100 billion elephants every second, if elephants were made of hydrogen. This energy, in the form of light and heat, travels to the sun's surface, the photosphere, 300,000 miles from the core. But don't think it's a quick trip. It can take photons up to 100,000 years to reach the surface, so the sunlight you see today is basically a cosmic retro hit. The sun's surface also has its moods, dotted with sunspots, cooler patches that look like dark blemishes. These spots can be as big as Jupiter and mess with space weather. The sun also throws wild parties with solar flares and coronal mass ejections. These outbursts can be so powerful they knock out satellites or make the northern lights so bright you'll forget about your Netflix queue. Solar flares are like the sun deciding to throw a rave but, forgetting to invite Earth, and then we're left cleaning up its cosmic mess. But there's a flip side. Solar activity can mess with our tech. Back in 1859, an event called the Carrington event caused magnetic storms so intense that telegraph wires sparked and operators got zapped. Imagine that today, say goodbye to Wi-Fi. Oh, and get this, the sun actually sings. Scientists have recorded its vibrations, a kind of cosmic choir, just without sheet music or a conductor. Without the sun, we'd all be sitting in the dark trying to charge our phones with candles. But the sun isn't eternal. It's about 4.6 billion years old right now, roughly halfway through its career. In about 5 billion years, it'll start to swell, turning into a red giant. It'll grow so big, up to 93 million miles across, that it might swallow Mercury, Venus, and maybe even Earth. Don't panic, we've got time to pack our bags. At that stage, the sun could shine so brightly that Earth's sky might turn red, like something out of a sci-fi blockbuster. After that, the sun will shed its outer layers, forming a stunning planetary nebula. Think of it as a cosmic butterfly. All that'll be left is a hot core the size of Earth, a white dwarf. It'll glow for trillions of years, but not with the same pizzazz. Fun fact, a white dwarf is so dense that a teaspoon of its material would weigh as much as an elephant. So, like us, the sun will retire one day, leaving behind just memories. Picture the sun in retirement, chilling in a cosmic rocking chair, telling young stars how it used to light up an entire solar system. The sun is more than just a star. It's our engine, our clock, our cosmic heater. It reminds us how much we depend on nature, and how tiny we are in the grand scheme of the universe. For millennia, humans have worshipped the sun, from the Egyptian god Ra to Slavic solstice festivals. And no wonder, without it, we wouldn't be here. So, next time you're soaking up a warm, sunny day, give a quick thanks to that giant plasma ball 865,000 miles across that makes it all possible. And don't forget the sunscreen. If you enjoyed this trip to the sun, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you'd do if the sun took a day off.